Hello guys, how are you all? Today I am going to show you how we can create this pricing table using Elementor. It is 100% responsive. If I click on here and you enable the mobile mode, you can see it's responsive. Okay. Now if I click on the tablet mode, you can see it's completely responsive. It's look good. Okay. So we are going to design this using Elementor. So let's start. So before we continue, we have to enable two settings from the Elementor settings. You have to go to the Elementor and then settings and then features. After that, we have to enable the container and nested elements. Okay. So let's create one. I have already created this here, but I will create a new one and show you how I design this. Okay. So let's create a new template. Let's select a container, pricing table v2. So you can see the Elementor page builder is loaded. So I am going to add a container first here. Let's add some margin at the top so that it will be look good. Let's add 100 pixel. Sorry, remove just margin top 100 pixel. Okay. Now let's give a name to this container. Pricing calculator. And now let's another container inside of this container, and let's add this to wrap. Now I'm going to add another container and name this to pricing table. Now we need 3 container. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's add a container first and let's add the content first. Okay, so let's add a heading first, and then for this we need to add icon list, and we need, okay, that's all. Oh, we also have to price here. So let's add another heading here and let's change it to spell. Okay, now let's copy the first text and then let's copy this one. Let's remove the other two. Okay, now let's add the price $3.99. Okay, now let's change its font size to 45 pixel. No, let's see again. It is maybe 25 pixel. 25 pixel, and the price let's set 15. Let's adjust the font Poppins and weight 600 color black, and then we need to this color. Okay, let's copy the color code from here, this color. So copy the color from here, and let's go to the icon, change the color here, so the color is showing here, and let's change the text color to black. Okay, now let's add some more. Okay, now looks good. Now we can do one thing, it's pricing table. It's a single package. Now we can duplicate this, duplicate. Now let's go to the wrapper container pricing table, and let's add this to side by side. Okay, so we have this. Now we have this view. So we can do one thing, we can reduce the width of this main container. It's too big. Let's change. It is right now for 1400, so let's change to 1200 pixel. Okay, now it's look good. Now we have to add a border like this. So let's go to the single package again, style border. Let's add 1 pixel. It's border radius. Let's add solid border with 1 pixel. Let's add a black background, and let's border radius to be 20 pixel. Okay, we can add some more. Yes, more icon list, so it will look good. Okay, now we can do one thing, copy, paste. Let's remove this one, paste. Let's remove this one. Okay, so now we can add some padding here. Also we have to move this to the center. Let's center it, align, center, style, center. Okay, now looks good. Now we have to add some padding. Let's add top 15 pixel, and all of them let's set 30 pixel, 30, 30, 30. Now let's see the view. It looks good. Okay, now we have to add this bottom color to the price. Let's add border solid, only bottom 1 pixel, color black. Okay, now let's see the view. Okay, looks good. Looks good. Now let's copy the style of this first column to rest of the columns. Let's copy the here. Let's unfold the column here. Okay, now we have going to apply the style here, paste style. So now let's change the title, package title, premium package, and ultimate package. Okay, now we have to copy the style here to paste style. Now let's copy, sorry, we have to copy this one, paste style, paste style. Now we have to copy this one, paste style, paste style. Okay, now to look good, let's reduce some, like this is will be basic package, so less features, so this will this is okay. Let's add some more here. Now it is looks good. Okay, now let's close all of this. Now it is almost done. Let's check the responsiveness. You see the line height of this this icon list is too much. The spacing here from the here you can see it's too much. We have to reduce it for tablet version. Let's open text. Let's line height. Let's control here 1.2 am. Yes, it's look good, but it should be left align. Yes, now it's look good. Okay, so we have to make it left align here too. Yes, now looks good. Let's copy, paste style, paste style. Now it is looks good. Let's check this one again. The text of the icon list is here. Let's increase some. Let's add this one. Let's copy some text. Okay, we already have that. Only 4. Let's remove this one. Now it looks good. Let's change it this one. Okay, okay, now it looks good. So now we are going to check the responsiveness. We have to add space from 1 to we have to add space here. We have to add some space here. Let's space between. Let's add some more space here, so it will look good and user can read the features here easily. Let's copy, paste style, and we can add some more space here. Like if I remove the padding here, it will take some more space. Let's remove the padding. Okay, now it's look good. Okay, now user can read this text easily. If we check this on mobile, this is the mobile view. Now it looks fine. So now I'm going to add this one. Okay, this ribbon we are going to add. So for that I have to, let's enable the desktop mode again. I have to add a class here. I have a CSS for that. Here is the CSS, so we have to add this pricing ribbon to the package. We want to add this. We want to add that ribbon to this premium package. So we can do one thing. We have to add this text. We have to add this popular heading first. Okay, so let's add another heading to this page. Sorry, to this here, to this column, and let's change that to popular, and let's change the div, and let's design this. It will be 15 pixel. We can change, let's add 16 pixel. Now it will be also poppings. Okay, that's it. Now change the color. Okay, let's change the color later. Okay, first of all let's change the color to the red, and then we have to add CSS here. First of all, let's add the, I have the CSS for that, pricing ribbon. Let's add here as a class. Now we are going to add the CSS here, custom CSS. Let's copy all of this and apply here. You can see ribbon is showing here. Now we have to add some padding to this heading. Okay, this is the ribbon heading. So let's select the heading first. We can change the name of this to like ribbon, and let's add some padding here. I will add top 10 pixel, bottom 10 pixel, left 25 and right 25. Now it looks good. Now let's change the color to white. Okay, now it looks fine, but yes, now it looks completely fine. Now if I enable the tablet mode, it's looking like this. On mobile mode, this is, so that's it. This is the pricing table. This is the desktop view, this is the tablet view, and this is the mobile view. So this looks fine. If we preview changes, so you can see here is the pricing table that we designed using Elementor. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. This will help me to create more content like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.